Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to export all your contacts from Android phone into a VCF file. So this is useful if you want to back up your contacts and transfer them to another phone or share them easily. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your contacts application. Now on Android, the contacts application may vary, but currently I'm using the Google Contacts application. So on your device, you need to simply select that one. Once you have done that, you need to basically log in into with that particular account here on which you have all of the contacts available. Now tap on the option of organize in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, if you just scroll down a bit, in this devices option, the third last option would be of export to file. So here you need to tap on this option, select your email address in which you want to basically export all of your contacts. It will be a VCF file. So after selecting the email, you need to select the option of export here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This way you will be able to get your VCF file to your another email address. You can access it with the help of your phone's storage or with the help of your Google account. So your VCF file will be created and now you can use it in order to back up or transfer the contacts from another device. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.